Thank you. Well, right now I see. No, you're crazy, Chris. The World Cup.
Yeah, we're finding time, you know.
All right. So who are you supporting? Because Jamaica aren't in the World Cup, are they? Who are you going to support?
Brazil.
Brazil. Wicked. England are playing Ghana today. Who do you think are going to win out of England or
England
Ghana?
will win.
Wicked. One final question: Messi or Ronaldo?
Messi all the way, all the way. Messi.
Oh, wicked. Thank you. Wagwan bread bins. So in today's video, I'm just going to give you a quick little rundown. In today's video, we've tried to go out and talk to your average fella on the street. Trying to break into to talking to people on camera in the street. First time I've had a go at this. Are you watching the World Cup, sir? Yeah. Oh, because Jamaica aren't in the World Cup, unfortunately. They failed to qualify. Who are you supporting? Brazil. Brazil? Yeah. Why Brazil? Because whether they win or draw or lose, I just like the team. You just like the team, cool. Yeah. Who do you think is going to win the World Cup? Well, right now I see England strong now. Yeah. England are playing Ghana today. Who do you think is going to win out of England or Ghana? Yeah, man, England. England, yeah, of course. Yeah. Big up, respect. Yes. One final question: Messi or Ronaldo? Messi. Messi. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, respect. Are you watching the World Cup, sir?
Sure, yes, sir.
All right. Who are you supporting?
Portugal, one side.
Okay. The England are playing Ghana today. Who do you think is going to win?
England has a fairly good side.
Respect. Yeah. And finally, well, I think we already know, Ronaldo or Messi?
Come on.
Messi.
No, you're crazy. CR7.
Oh, same respect. Yeah. Cheers, man. So, we were using that microphone for the first time, and for some unknown reason I forgot to turn it on. So for the following footage, there's no sound. So I'm going to do a voiceover, because you know what, I've been trying to do voiceovers more and more, but I never really bother with them. But anyway, here we are. We're downstairs in the food court area in Mandeville, and there's this kind of like tucked away bit, but we went there about 2 o'clock and it was absolutely packed, and like it doesn't really do it justice how many people were downstairs. Here's a little the food on the board there. You might want to stop that if you want to pay attention to how much it costs. But anyway, we stopped in this place and we got 3 pieces of chicken, rice and peas, and they put in some macaroni and cheese, mac and cheese as well there, with a bit of salad, and I got 3 drinks, and that was for the kids. I didn't eat any of this, by the way, just so you know. Hazel was complaining that the chicken's too spicy again. I don't think there was any actually spice on the chicken. It was not spicy at all. She just like, I don't know. She's learned to do that. Anyway, here again, I asked these nice policemen, just in Mandeville town centre, who they support and who if they're watching the football. He said yes. I'm pretty sure he said Brazil again, and I think I definitely asked him who his favourite player was, and he said Messi as well. So there we are. Oh, currently standing, it is Messi 3, Ronaldo 1. If you count me as well, and I'll tell you now, I'm a Ronaldo type of a fella. Oh, look who we're with, Fire Reid. Just bumped into him. Dreams do come true.
Do you want to ask the question about the World Cup?
Oh, yeah, we do. So, the thing takes... Oh, okay, cool. Yeah. So, are you watching the World Cup?
So far, I only watched one match.
Oh, okay.
That was my side.
All right, cool. So
Yeah,
that's
so-
the answer. So you're supporting Brazil instead of.
Yes.
All right. All right. Question: England or Ghana?
England.
All right, respect. and then the last one is Messi or Ronaldo.
Let's say Messi.
Of course.
Messi.
Appreciate it.
Oh,
Thanks for your time.
nice.
Really appreciate it.
So there you have it, guys. Messi. Messi's the winner. Messi's the best. According to the man on the street in Jamaica, Messi is the best. We did actually ask lots of women, but they didn't give me an answer.
He's got a captain. He's got to go.
So we've gone out there and I've just not really had a plan and just asked people. But we did bump into the legendary YouTube OG Fire Reid. Just by absolute pure luck and by the grace of God, we bumped into Fire Reid, which was really cool. Honestly, like he's absolutely lovely bloke. So that was absolutely amazing. And oh wait, let me know what you think in the comments of like who I should talk to and who I should go and speak to, because obviously I want to go into shops, I want to go into like places where people work and like maybe try and do like some interviews or whatever it is, a day in the life of, or like apprentice style type videos. Do you know what I mean? Like that would be I would absolutely love to do that. And if you've got any suggestions about like where I could potentially go and do like basically like a day's work or like half a day or whatever it is, then please get into the comments. I've got some ideas, I won't go into them now, but I'm gonna do a few of these things. But then yeah, let me know in the comments and let me know what you think, how terrible I was about interviewing these people. Hello Melly, pop your head in. Hello darling, there she is. Can you say hello? Yeah, good girl. All right, she's wearing a nappy, so I've got to keep her out of shot. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next one. God bless.